Well, it's been a pretty slow day until this big mama came along. Look at that beauty. Get the glove out here. Caught her on a ribster. Biggest thing I caught so far today, wasn't very many, was a 30-inch pike. Now this makes it, whoa, I don't want to hurt her. Come here. Come here, big girl. There we go. How did you get him? Look at that. Oh, the head on that thing is huge. There's the ribster. Show you that bait. There's the let's measure this beauty up. Oh, she is a twig. Down here. Go there. Oh, 29. What a nice fish. We'll put her back. She's ready to go. Well, she was. There she goes. 29 incher. When you get me close to when I'm going to quit, this will give me my last spot. I was marking all these fish on the bottom and they won't bite. Then I finally got one to bite. So we'll see what they are. Ooh, big old walleye. How in the hell come they're not biting? Look at that pig. It's like a 6 or 7 pounder. Can't believe they're not biting. I guess I'm not leaving yet. Better dip him up. Ain't as big as that 30-incher, but he's pretty close. 29 incher. Look at this big bug. Look at that pig. Four. Oh, my jig fell out too. I got on the phone. Nothing wrong with that. He is all tore up. Look at him, a big old sore on his side. Nice big fish, but not very pretty. Fins are all chewed up. He must have. We'll measure him up. He's about 28, I guess. Shit. 30 incher. I thought he was only 28. He's not very pretty though. But we'll take a still picture of him too. Pretty good one. That's big. Maybe 20 incher maybe. Biting on them ribs pretty well. They're down there too, look at that. Snout, hurry up, back in the water. 22. I think I know what a lot of them are down here. These guys. It can't be all walleyes because I've marked way too many. But I'm going to keep a couple of these perch and eat them. I like eating perch just about the best there is, I think. They're nice and clean too here. They got no worms. So you can usually see them around the fields if they got worms.